Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of photos is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen card, deposit photo ID and check-in. The accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. All